Eco-friendly pet tech is exploding in the USA. From smart feeders to sustainable toys, pet owners want green solutions. Today, I will show you how to sell eco-friendly pet tech products on Shopify using Spocket and tap into this US market. Start by setting up your Shopify store. Pick a clean, pet-friendly theme and highlight your eco-mission. US customers respond to transparency, so emphasize sustainability in your branding. Next, connect Spocket. Install it from the Shopify App Store and link your account. Use filters to find eco-friendly pet tech suppliers in the USA and EU. Fast US shipping, 2 to 7 days, keeps customers happy and loyal. Import products directly into Shopify. Customize titles, descriptions, and pricing. Add keywords like eco-friendly pet tech USA and sustainable pet gadgets USA to boost your search ranking. Finally, market your store. Use Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts to showcase pets using eco-tech products. Pair this with Shopify's email campaigns to nurture US buyers. With Spocket handling fulfillment, you can focus on scaling.